Hey you guys, so today I decided to film an everyday makeup routine, and basically this is an updated version. I did one in the beginning of this year and I just wanted to do an updated one because I do my makeup a little differently. So stay tuned to see how I do my makeup. It's my birthday, bitch. Maya in the back gang, I never switch. Hey guys, so this video is an everyday makeup routine. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup on a daily, even though I don't wear makeup on the daily, but it's just a simple beginner look. First up, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm not going to do an in-depth on my eyebrows because I'm going to save that for a separate video. But I'm using just a brow pencil from the beauty supply store. Sometimes I use a brow pencil, sometimes I use a dip brow. If you see me talking in this video, it's actually because I'm on FaceTime with Maya. I just have my AirPods in, and yeah, so yeah. Applying my Too Faced primer, and honestly I made a mistake. I was completely distracted talking to Maya. I put my foundation on before I did my eyeshadow, but yeah, it's perfectly fine because I'm not doing anything like a dramatic eye look where I would have like black and then you would have fallout on your foundation. So now I'm taking my L'Oreal foundation, and this is just a light drugstore foundation. I like to use this foundation when I really don't have anywhere to go, just something light instead of something so like heavy. So I'm using my foundation brush that I got at TJ Maxx to just kind of apply that in. And this is the point where I realized that I did not do my eyeshadow. So now I'm taking one of my Juvia's palettes, and I'm just basically like not doing anything drastic, just applying a light color on my eyelid, and then a little bit of darker shade also in there. Nothing drastic. This is what I like always do, because I don't do like any drastic eye makeup, if you notice. So now I'm going to be taking a damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to be blending my foundation in. You can see Maya has me laughing. But yeah, I'm just going to be blending my foundation in now. I'm going to be taking my Juvia's concealer, and I'm going to be using a lighter shade to highlight. So now I'm just blending my concealer out, and basically my beauty blender is damp, and you're gonna really want to blend because you don't want your face to look like this, how it looks right now, because it's not blended out. So really get in there and blend. now I'm going to be taking a darker concealer. I'm using my Juvia's concealer, and I'm going to be using that to contour. And as you can see, I'm going off to Maya about something. So yeah. So now I'm going to begin blending out the contour lines. So then I don't show this part, but I'm just applying some of my Laura Mercier translucent powder on where I concealed. So now I'm going to be taking some black eyeliner, and I'm just going to be applying that on my waterline. And then I'm going to be taking some mascara and just applying that on my eyelashes before I go and apply my lashes. And I'm just going to be blending that translucent powder out. So now my lashes are on, and I'm just taking some mascara and applying it on my lower lash line. And now I'm taking my Juvia's Place highlighter, and I'm just going to be putting some highlight on. I'm going to be taking my like a dark lip liner and lining my lips. If you know me, you know this is like my go-to combo. And I'm going to be taking a NYX gloss. I'm looking for a new gloss because I don't know if you guys know, but usually I use the NYX cookie butter, but obviously that has been discontinued. But I still had a cookie butter, so I've been using cookie butter. So like, I'm upset, low-key. And now I'm just spraying my face with some setting spray.
Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I do my makeup. This is something like an everyday beat, something very light, simple, not difficult at all. And I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if there's any videos that you want to see next, any questions, anything. Comment down below. Bye guys.